Have you ever wondered if flowers could speak? What would they say? Imagine a world where blossoms whisper secrets, where each petal, leaf, and bloom carries a hidden message. This is the realm of floriography, the language of flowers, an age-old practice of expressing unspoken emotions through floral arrangements. During the Victorian era, this form of communication flourished, allowing individuals to convey feelings that society deemed inappropriate to voice. So, each flower has a story to tell, a secret message to convey. Now, let's decode some of these secret messages concealed within the delicate petals. When you think of flowers, common ones like roses, tulips, and daisies probably come to mind. But did you know that each of these floral beauties carries a unique message? Red roses, for instance, are not just beautiful to behold. They're also brimming with symbolism, standing for love and passion. Tulips, on the other hand, represent the idea of perfect love. Isn't that sweet? And then we have daisies, those simple yet charming blossoms that convey innocence and purity. But here's an interesting twist. The color of the flower can actually alter its meaning. A yellow rose, for example, symbolizes friendship rather than romantic love. So when choosing flowers for a gift or even for your own home, consider their hidden meanings. So, the next time you give or receive flowers, remember the secret language they speak. Flowers are more than just a feast for the eyes. They are a language, a medium of expression. This unique tongue of petals and leaves, woven into our history and culture, holds the power to convey profound messages. It's an art and a science that's as fascinating as it is beautiful. So, why not immerse yourself in this world of floral communication? Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting and subscribe to our channel for more such intriguing insights. Until next time, keep decoding the language of flowers.